welcome back. So we had sunny to mostly sunny skies. We made our way through the day today with an increase in the clouds later on to the day and some rain showers on our doorstep. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse in North Platte. With the sunshine, as we make our way into early afternoon, you're going to start to see more clouds on the horizon, and the clouds increase as we make our way through the evening, but still staying mainly dry. But that's not going to be the case for very much longer. Highs near 80 at North Platte, out toward Broken Bow and Lexington, upper 70s out toward Ogallala and Imperial, and 76 your high at Valentine. Current temperature at 64 at North Platte, near that level at Thedford and at Ogallala, closer to 60 at Imperial and Hyannis. Upper 60s at Lexington, but right next door at Broken Bow, the cool spot at 55 degrees. Now, here's a look at the wind, still mainly from a southeasterly direction, so that's increasing the moisture and keeping us a little warm for this time of year. Wind speeds right now between 5 and 15 miles per hour. So, as for the moisture, staying mainly dry from North Platte, points off to the east, and up toward Valentine. But more showers now out toward Hyannis, and from Arthur points off to the north. And we do have another batch of some rain, maybe even some embedded thunder in here as you go from Wallace, Grant, down toward Hayes Center, and especially Imperial, and points off to the south. So this activity continues to work off to the east. Another chance for moisture for tonight, and some of this activity actually could last into tomorrow morning. Another warm front is making its way through after staying relatively calm, a little bubble of high pressure in charge for the day today, but this frontal boundary will really not move anywhere. Every once in a while, these lows will make their way off to our east. So we're going to keep at least a chance of some moisture. And some of the days, moisture is going to be very likely with showers and thunderstorms, as we're mainly going to have this high pressure system in charge, giving us that southerly wind. So temperatures staying just a little above average for this time of year. So going through the rest of the evening, some showers possible, even some thunderstorms through tomorrow morning, especially into our eastern counties, lows in the mid-50s. As we go through the daylight hours on Tuesday, mainly dry with some sunshine, but there's another batch of some showers and thunderstorms, mainly from North Platte, south and east for tomorrow evening, and then we'll do it all again. Maybe some showers during the overnight, but mainly dry in the morning. Lows starting off Wednesday into the mid-50s, some sunshine during the day. This has us with high temperatures around 75. At 4 p.m. we're mainly dry, but into the evening, more chances for a lot of rain and maybe even some strong thunderstorms out there. Severe weather outlook for tomorrow, marginal from North Platte out toward the Wyoming border, meaning 1 or 2 storms could be severe, and a marginal risk from I-80 points off to the south. It's not a high risk for severe weather. We're going to see if this does increase, but the main threat will be heavy rain, which actually will help with our drought. So we got the warm front making its way through as we go through tomorrow, and then this low will give us heavier rain for Wednesday, Thursday, and then this frontal boundary does still stick around for Friday, could come back as another warm front. So Friday has another chance of some showers and storms, once again, mainly in the warm air. So the setup for the jet stream really hasn't changed since last week. Relatively warm in the upper layers, the cold air staying off the west coast, but that jet stream going right over us, so those lows will also go over us. And every once in a while, as we go through the next 4 days or so, we'll keep that active weather pattern with some heavy showers and thunderstorms possible on some of the days. So best chance of having some heavy thunderstorms Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday night. High temperatures in the mid-70s each of those days, and the wind really does pick up as we go through the end of the work week and start the weekend. Friday at 40%, partly cloudy, otherwise it's 71. And we'll only keep 10% chances of some moisture Saturday and Sunday. Otherwise, partly cloudy, still a little breezy into the low to mid-70s, a little warm for this time of year. And Monday, we're drying out with partly cloudy skies and a high of 72. Kent?
Justin, you said 2 words in your forecast. A lot of people like to hear heavy rain.
Yeah, and that's going to be the story as we go through the next 3 days.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. Deadly overdoses from fentanyl have surged in recent years, and it's not just adults.